What's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this GVM RGB video lighting kit. This kit is ideal for video or photography and it's pretty portable. You can carry around because it comes with this case, 2 tripods and 2 lights itself. And at the time of recording this video, as you can see on Amazon, there is a $100 off coupon. And then if we scroll down slightly, right here you can see it's 40 watt. You can adjust the brightness, color temperature, special lights. You can connect with the Bluetooth and you can control lighting with your cell phone app. And here's what comes in a case. And there's a couple different examples here. And this is what app's supposed to look like. So this is the actual carrying case and they have a QR code on it to download an app. And it's like 23 inches wide and I think like 12 or 13 inches long. And if we're gonna open it up, let's see what's inside. Quality certification, and this looks like 2 tripods, adapters, and 2 RGB lights. Owner's manual here as well. Each light comes with a diffuser. You can pull it out from the side or you can put it back in. And then on the back of the light, we have right here power input, power switch, mode controller here, and then change channels, brightness adjustment, and then it's multifunction button right here. And then this one is LCD screen, and also right here we can add batteries. Batteries you'll have to purchase separately. So for example, if you are recording somewhere or shooting photos or something and you don't have electrical outlet next to you, you can use portable batteries to power this light on. To control your lights with phone, what you need to do, you need to press on mode multiple times. As right here, every time I'm pressing, you can see changes from rotate, slave, master, and app. We need to make sure we set it on app. Then we need to scan the QR code, or you can just type GVM LED in your App Store or Google Play Store and download the app. You can connect your phone to both lights. So once you have the app running, what you'll have to do, you'll have to press on one of the lights to connect. And let's say we're gonna do the top one. Then it's gonna say it's connected. And right here, we're gonna be able to adjust. So by default, it's gonna set the settings that it's set right now to. And then what you can do, you can turn it off and then you can turn it back on. Then right here at the bottom wheel, you can adjust the color. And then the top wall will adjust the brightness. As you can see, it can be very bright. And then if we go to this HSI tab, we can adjust the actual RGB colors here. So you can see right now it's set to red and you can just scroll through and find the color that you like. Let me turn this light off. So right here, you can see that it changes color. And the color temperature is actually perfect. It's matching the phone. Camera is just not picking it up. And then we can press on scene tab. And in here, we have different scenes. So right now I have candle selected and then we can choose lightning, then bad bulb. Then we can have disco, and then also right here you can adjust cycle and brightness as well, and then cop car, TV, party, and paparazzi. And also right here you can press on my scene. So for example, if you go back to scenes and you readjust settings here, you can press on this little like a floppy disk on the top right, and then it will save your scene, and then you'll have scene right here. And we can go back here, and then in here we can turn it off, adjust the brightness and adjust the temperature, and then channel as well. And then for example, if you decide to control your other light, which you can do, you can turn this one off. Then you'll have to press on switch devices on the top left corner, and then right here you'll have to press OK to disconnect, and then right here you'll have to connect to other one. So you can add devices over here, and you can create a group as well. You can also control them separately. And as you can see, the second one, I can turn it off, turn it back on, adjust the temperature as well over here, and then adjust the brightness. And then same thing, I can go through the tab and I can adjust the RGB or scenes as well. I will leave link in the description below for the lights, and if this video was helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.